I'm going to try something here. I've got these bicycle safety lights. I'm going to try to wire them on this ceiling fan. Turn it on and turn the ceiling fan on and see what it looks like. To be continued. Well, I've got the remote on. I just got to hook the wire now. So, I'll show you in a minute. Well, I got the fan wired. The only... Hold on. Okay. I was going to say the only blade that's not covered is this one. There's the remote. It goes around. So now I got to straighten these and turn them off. I have to turn this one on. Huh. Oh, there it is. Okay. Do. Alright. Huh. It's a giant M for Mountain Dew. Woohoo! Not bad. Now let's lower the speed a little bit. Or speed it up a little bit. He doesn't like it. Alright. Alright. That should be the fastest speed. Yep. Kind of trippy. Get yours today.